Welcome to English Speaking Practice.
Subscribe for more videos.
What is your favorite drink? What is your favorite drink?
My favorite drink is Coca-Cola. My favorite drink is Coca-Cola.
Do you have any children? Do you have any children?
No, I don't have any children. No, I don't have any children.
What is your favorite TV show? What is your favorite TV show?
My favorite TV show is Friends. My favorite TV show is Friends.
Can you play a musical instrument? Can you play a musical instrument?
Yes, I can play the guitar. Yes, I can play the guitar.
What is your favorite holiday? What is your favorite holiday?
My favorite holiday is Halloween. My favorite holiday is Halloween.
Have you traveled abroad? Have you traveled abroad?
Yes, I have been to France. Yes, I have been to France.
What is your favorite sport? What is your favorite sport?
My favorite sport is tennis. My favorite sport is tennis.
What's your favorite season? What's your favorite season?
My favorite season is spring. My favorite season is spring.
Can you swim? Can you swim?
Yes, I can swim. Yes, I can swim.
Have you ever been skydiving? Have you ever been skydiving?
No, I haven't tried it. No, I haven't tried it.
Can you recommend a good restaurant? Can you recommend a good restaurant?
Yes, McDonald's is great. Yes, McDonald's is great.
What is your favorite animal? What is your favorite animal?
My favorite animal is tiger. My favorite animal is tiger.
Do you like sports? Do you like sports?
Yes, I enjoy watching sports. Yes, I enjoy watching sports.
What is your favorite movie? What is your favorite movie?
My favorite movie is Forrest Gump. My favorite movie is Forrest Gump.
Do you have any pets? Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a dog. Yes, I have a dog.
How was your day? How was your day?
It was good, thank you, and yours. It was good, thank you, and yours.
What's your favorite hobby? What's your favorite hobby?
My favorite hobby is swimming. My favorite hobby is swimming.
What is your favorite color? What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is yellow. My favorite color is yellow.
Are you married? Are you married?
No, I am not married. No, I am not married.
Where is the restroom? Where is the restroom?
The restroom is left. The restroom is left.